Hi, this is Joel, your pond coach from The Pond Guy. I'm here to give you some maintenance tips for your ClearVac pond vacuum. Routine maintenance. Like any piece of equipment, it's important to keep your ClearVac clean so it remains in good working condition. After each use, open your vacuum and remove any large debris. It is also important to check for clogs or obstructions in the intake and discharge of the vacuum. We recommend that you use the garden hose to spray off the collection chamber, foam filters, and tubing after each use. Extended maintenance. If your pond vacuum has been used heavily for many seasons, or if it has been stored for winter, it's important to check the foam filter and O-rings for wear and damage. Foam filters can be cleaned by spraying them off with the garden hose. If there is damage to the filter, however, it will need to be replaced. Over time or in harsh conditions, O-rings can crack or tear, creating a leak and reduction in suction power. You cannot repair a damaged O-ring, but they are easily replaced. We recommend a thorough cleaning if you plan to store the vacuum for an extended period. If you have any further questions or need replacement foam filters or O-rings, give us a call at 866-POND-HELP or visit us online at thepondguy.com.